What's going on, guys? This is your boy Martin. We are coming at you from Wat Ban Den, which has a longer full name that I can't pronounce properly, so I'm not going to butcher it. Instead, I'll put it in the on the screen down below. So this is a temple that's about a 1 hour drive north of Chiang Mai city, like the old city. It takes about an hour to get up here. And it's kind of a hidden gem in the sense that, you know, you don't usually get a lot of tourists that come up here. This is really like, or I shouldn't say this. You get Thai tourists that come up here, like people that come up from Bangkok and other parts of Thailand. They'll come and visit this temple, but you don't get too many like foreigners that come here and visit this temple. However, it is magnificent. I mean, as you can see, I'm gonna be rolling B-reel shots as I talk throughout so that you don't get bored of looking at my face. So yeah, as you can see, it's huge, it's sprawling, and it has this like really beautiful center stupa, which is like a gray color accentuated by some gold and other stuff. And yeah, it's just beautiful. So this temple's been around for a really long time. It really got a major renovation in the year 1804 when a local abbot came up here and he decided to renovate it in a Lana style. So for those of you who don't know that much about Thailand or Thai history, or you haven't seen another video where I talk about it, basically before the modern day nation state of Thailand, there existed kingdoms and empires. So central and southern Thailand was the Siam Empire, and then large parts of northern Thailand were the Lana Kingdom, which is like, you know, Chiang Mai is basically the former Lana Kingdom. And the Lana Kingdom had its own cuisine, its own style of dress, its own everything, including architecture. And the way that the Lana people design their temples has a distinct look to it, which at this point, I've been here long enough that I can kind of recognize the difference between Burmese style temples and, I almost slipped, Lana style temples, and, you know, just the different areas. So where was I? So anyway, he renovated this temple in 1804 in a Lana style. And now it's just a really cool place. There's also, I haven't found it yet, but when I do, I'll turn the camera back on. Supposedly there's an area of the temple that has 12 pillars that are dedicated to the Chinese zodiac. So people come up here and check those out as well. There's a lot to see. Honestly, I've been walking around the grounds for maybe 40 minutes now and I still haven't seen it all. So it's a cool place. Definitely add it to your itinerary. Hope you enjoyed the visuals, and when you come to Chiang Mai, come check it out for yourself. It's kind of, like I said, a hidden gem. If you have any questions, drop them below, and let me know what you think. And don't forget to sub to the channel, smash that like button, all that usual stuff. Peace.